The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Coryell County and central Texas, northwestern Bell County and central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fort Hood, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morgan's Point Resort around 7:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Belton Lake and Mother Neff State Park around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Big River around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pendleton, Woodson, Moffett, Oglesby, Mount, Flat, Third Grove, Owl Creek, Leon Junction and Meadow Grove. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 307 and 309. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
To any field of